Hey, good morning. Look, checking out this teamwork book by Natalie Dawson. Actually, sounds like there's a guy writing it, to be honest with you. But I'm sure she's got lots of people working on it together with her. Why do I say it sounds like a guy watching it? It doesn't matter. She talks about testosterone stuff, which, anyways, what I wanted to share with you is about the mission and the values. We're here at Wander CPA. We're working on the mission and the values of our company, and we're working on growing our company. So the beginning part of this book right here is specifically mentions that we need to create a mission and values statement. Mission statement and value statement. Now, the value statement is there's going to be three value statements. There is the brand, the revenue, and the people, and it must be quantifiable. All right, I was looking up some other brand value statements for other CPA firms, PwC, Deloitte, the large ones, and they weren't following this, but I'm going to be following this. I believe that it's important to pick a method, pick a particular way of doing things, and doing it all the way, unless I have a very good reason, a very solid reason to veer from it. So the mission statement, we're still working on the specific mission statements. They haven't gotten to that yet, but the value statement, I'll tell you what their value statement is. The vision statement, excuse me, not the value statement. Have I been saying value statement? The vision statement. You have the mission and you have the vision. So the vision statement is to create, well, our vision statement, I'm going to tell you our vision statement over here at Wander CPA. Our vision statement is to eliminate taxes for 10,000 business owners, right? Not businesses, business owners. We want to eliminate taxes. This is our vision, and the vision is over the 10-year period per Dawson's. The vision statement is that we're going to eliminate taxes for 10,000 business owners. There are three vision statements. It's a brand, revenue, and people. So the brand is eliminate taxes for 10,000 business owners. The revenue is 10 million, $50 million, the revenue. And the people is 100 of the top entrepreneurs, creating a vehicle for them to achieve their personal, professional, and financial goals. Yes, that PPF is also from the Dawsons. So we want to create a vehicle for 100 of the top entrepreneurs to achieve their personal, professional, and financial goals. That is our people vision statement. Our brand vision statement is to eliminate taxes for 10,000 business owners, and our revenue mission statement is $50 million. Well, I would love to hear your vision statement. Have you created a vision statement yet? Does your business have one? If you're an owner or you're an employee, I'm really curious to know if you have a vision statement, if you've created a vision statement, if you feel like that vision statement has helped you to bring people on board when you're hiring people or when communicating your company to employees on both sides. So this is what we are doing. We are focusing our brand, focusing our business, focusing our company, and it's a process. It's exciting. We have, as a CPA firm, we have a variety of services. We kind of suffer from that do whatever the client needs type of syndrome. So a client comes in, and my first clients, they were friends, and they're still clients, and they're still friends. But they needed something done. I was like, great, you know what? I'm going off on my own. They were actually part of the huge reason why I made the decision to say, hey, I'm going to go off on my own. I'm going to leave my 9-to-5 job. So, but I wasn't thinking in terms of what type of company I want to build. I said, okay, I'm a CPA, so I can, in their eyes, and I felt like I could as well, I can do what they want me to do. I can do it or I can figure it out. I was the math person, I was the business person, and they were the production. They were running their business, but they needed somebody to handle their taxes, maybe also their books. So I said, yeah, I'm going to do it. So that was the beginning, and that continues and continued. And so the process right now, what we are trying to really focus on is the business. So Are we providing tax services? Are we providing financial planning services, FP&A, bookkeeping, tax strategies, different types of compliance? People get IRS letters, EDD letters. There's a lot of different reasons why somebody will reach out to a CPA and ask if we can help them. So, and traditionally, we're just like, yes, we'll do it. We can do it. And that's that. And so, but it makes it a little bit less efficient when hiring people, because then how do you know which skill you're looking for when hiring somebody? Are you looking for somebody who's a jack of all trades? Are you looking for somebody with a specialization? And if you're looking for somebody with a specialization, what is that specialization? We have to know it for our business to know what we are going to be providing to the clients, to know who we're going to be hiring. So focusing on that specialization area, again, it's a work in process. We're working on it. We don't want to get spread too thin. So, we could easily say, okay, well, we're going to do individual taxes. That's going to be one line of business, or one business even. C Corp taxes, partnership taxes, S Corp taxes, bookkeeping, payroll. There's all different types of services that we could put into a separate category, but Alex Hormozi, he says, and I think rightfully so, he had to focus at one point. He had 10 different businesses, 6 gym launches and 4 or 5 other types of businesses. And his wife told him, look, we need to focus on one thing. And when he did that, that was actually a huge boost to the growth of his business, because he was able to focus all of his energy on that one item. Now, it's important to choose a vehicle that is growing. So he chose something that was related, that he was able to scale. So being able to scale is an important aspect of choosing that vehicle. Now, how exactly that's going to work within the CPA world, within the accounting world, we don't need to limit ourselves specifically to what has traditionally been accounting or CPA type stuff. The world is available, right? So we do have a specialized skill. We do have a special offering. We do have an inherent advantage in particular areas when it comes to, say, taxes, etc. But we don't need to limit ourselves to what has traditionally been, okay, CPAs do taxes, CPAs do this. We can choose, and we can use technology, and we've been doing that somewhat, not fully yet, but we have, so there is that component where we need to make sure that we're not limiting our belief system, our mind, and our offering. So for example, Airtable, we use a database, Airtable, to keep track of hundreds of tax returns for large businesses that we are providing those services to. So trying to automate that through the system, trying to manage that process as a small business, trying to create those processes and the budgets, and making sure that everybody is aware of the budgets, everybody has buy-in to the budgets, and everybody is trying to hit those targets, those budget targets. So, and also it's going to help with billing clients. Anyways, I wanted to share that with you. Started off with the vision statement, and so it's a work in progress, and we look forward to sharing that journey with you, and would love to hear if you are a small business also, an entrepreneur, building something, working on these processes as well. I'd love to hear from you and connect. Have a great week.